Identification of fractions. What fraction does the shaded portion in each of the following diagram represent? In this task, we see different shapes divided into equal number of sides. In this first case, it is divided into two and one part is shaded. And in the second one, we have it divided into three, where one is shaded. And here we see it is divided into 10 equal sides with three parts shaded. Now, what fraction of this diagram is shaded? In the first diagram, we see that it is a whole object divided into two. So, of this diagram, we have two parts. Now, the number of parts you find is written as the denominator, as I have done here. Then for the numerator, the number of portions that are shaded is what you write as the numerator. And since only one part is shaded, we write it as 1. So the fraction of this diagram that is shaded is 1/2. Now to the second. Remember, the number of equal parts it is divided to becomes your denominator, and the number of equal parts that is shaded is your numerator. So how many parts is this divided into? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. And we write that as our denominator. We have 3 equal parts. How many is shaded? Just 1. So this represents 1/3. And then in the third one, what goes to the denominator? The number of equal parts we have. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3. That tells us that this diagram represents 3/10. Thank you.